Tired of the same old Minecraft? Let's unlock a universe of custom content by installing NeoForge. First things first, head over to the official NeoForge website. You'll want to find the Downloads section, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. On the Downloads page, you'll see various versions of NeoForge available, often corresponding to different Minecraft versions. Choose the version of Minecraft you currently play or plan to play. Click on the download button for your chosen version to download the NeoForge installer. This will typically be a small jar file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded jar file on your computer. Double-click this file to launch the NeoForge installer. The installer will open. The most common option, Install Client, should already be selected, which is exactly what we want. Just click OK to proceed with the installation. The installer will now work its magic, integrating NeoForge with your Minecraft installation. This should only take a moment. Now, let's switch to the Minecraft launcher. Click on the drop-down menu that usually shows your current Minecraft version near the play button. You should now see a new profile created for the NeoForge version you just installed. Select this new profile. Before we hit play, it's a good idea to make sure everything is set up correctly. You can usually find the mods folder by navigating to your Minecraft game directory. The launcher often provides a quick way to access this. In the Minecraft launcher, go to the Installations tab, hover over your NeoForge profile, and click the folder icon that appears to the right. This will open your game directory. Inside your game directory, you'll find a folder named Mods. This is where all your downloaded mods will go. Simply drag and drop your mod jar files into this folder. And that's it. With NeoForge installed and your mods in place, you're ready to embark on a brand new Minecraft adventure. Happy modding!